Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exponential equation. To solve an exponential equation you have to use the property of equality for exponential functions. I'm going to review the property with you. If b is greater than 0 and b is different from 1, then b to the x power equals b to the y power if and only if x is equal to the y. So let's try to think how can we solve this equation, the first one. The first thing, I look at the base. On the left side the base is 4, on the right side the base is 64. So I'm going to try to make the bases the same. For that I need to make the 3 to find the factors of 64, and I will try to find the factors of 4 if we can. 64 divided by 4 is going to give me 16. 16 divided by 4 is going to give me 4. 4 divided by 4 is going to give me 1. So 64 can be written as 4 to the third power, since we have 3/4. So on the left side we have 4 to the power of 2n minus 1 equal, on the right side I can say 4 to the third power. So far what have you done is like you rewrote the 64 based on their factors at 4 to the third power. Now is the moment that we are going to use the property of equality for exponential functions that I just explained to you. As you can see, the basis of these exponential functions are the same, 4 and 4. This means that the exponents are going to be equal. So 2n minus 1 equals with the 3. And we just solve the equation. It's a linear equation. 2n equals 4 divided by 2. n equals 2. So this is the solution for this equation. Again, the strategy that I used is trying to put the same base for both sides of the equation. And after I use the property of equality for exponential function. Now we are going to use the same strategy for the exercise 1b. The first step, I am going to take a look on the bases. The base on the left is 5, the base on the right is 125. So I will think to make both bases equal 5. For that I need to make the 3 and find the factors of 125. To find the factors of 125, I divide by 5, is going to give me 25. I divide by 5, is going to give me 5, 5, 1. So you can tell that are 3 5s here. This means that I can write 125 at 5 to the third power. So on the left side I copy as it is. So I have 5 to the power of 5x equals, for 125 I'm going to write 5 to the third power, and that is 125 to the power of x plus 2. Now here I have to use the properties of exponents. On the right side I have the property called power of power. And I'm going to use it. On the left side I just copy 5 to the 5x equals 5, and I have to multiply 3 times x is going to give me 3x, and I have to multiply 3 times 2 is going to give me 6. I'm going to erase a little bit now the 3 that I made, because now I know the factors of 125 and I don't need that 3 anymore, and it's getting my space here. Okay, so now this is my equation. I can use the property of equality for exponential functions again, because the base is the same, is 5 and 5. So I can say 5x equals 3x plus 6. This is a linear equation. You have variables in both sides of a linear equation, so you have to move the variables in one side. And I'm moving the 3x to the left side. 5x minus 3x is going to give me 2x equals 6. I divide by 2 and 2 both sides, so x equals 3. if you want to prove and check your answer, always you go to the original equation and substitute 3 wherever you see x. I'm going to do a very short check here just to show you one more time the checking procedure. So I'm going to go 5 to the power of 5 times 3 equal 125 to the power of 3 plus 2. 5 to the power of 15 equal 125 to the power of 5. If you can use graphing calculator for these two numbers, you find that 5 to the 15 is equal 125 over 5. So in this case, we accept the solution. So in this video, I showed you how to solve an exponential equation, always using the property of equality for exponential functions. Thank you.